Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you like my video, so please do share, subscribe, and like and comments. Okay, so today we are going to learn lead code problem from hashing number. Okay, so here we need to start now. So define mode. So I am going to define function. Here I am going to pass arguments like number, comma, cell number. Okay, colon. And now I'm going to return number percentage cell number. Okay, so here you can see percentage means reminder. Okay, percentage means reminder. This always give a result between 0 and cell number. uh, this this will give result between 0 and cell number -1. Okay, so if you have cell number bucket, it pick which one to use. Okay, so for example you have a mode 400 comma 24. Okay, so 400 divided by 24, modulus of this 16. Okay, so we got 16 reminder, so store it in bucket 16. Okay, so if you have mode for 400 to 400 comma 24, and 400 divided by 24 equals to 16. Okay, so reminder is 16, so we need to store it in bucket number 16. So if you don't know hashing, so please go and watch my previous video, then you will understand, otherwise you can't. So this is a hashing for number, and now I am going to move hashing for string. So okay, so here I am going to define one function def mode ASCII ASCII ASCII. Here I am going to pass argument string comma cell number. After that I need to apply colon. Now I need to return number, string, and cell number. Okay, here I need to define total equals to 0. Okay, so initially total we have total equals to 0. So again I need to apply loop here. So for I in range and total plus equals to uh, ord. Ord means you get a uh, ASCII code. Okay, ASCII code of I numbers. So here you can return total modulus percentage whatever cells number cell number. Okay, I need to run it. If you want to do if you want to print, then you can print mode of ASCII, and then you pass some numbers 3 4. Here I have got error because I need to write string here. Okay, and here I need to take an string abc. Now I need to run it. Okay, so I got 64. Okay, so here this is the function for mode of ASCII number. So here string and cells number, this is the argument, and total equals to 0 for I in string. Okay, like if you have any string like a b c d, so and this is a for a string, and cells number equals to 67, this one. Okay, for I in string, in string A B C D. So total initially total equals to 0. So total plus equals to ORDI. Okay, ORDI means it is used to define code in ASCII numbers. Okay, so here it will give ASCII number of string like A, B and C. Okay, one by one. So that's why we are going to write plus equals to. So return total divided by cells number. Okay, so here like this, 400 divided by 24. So total divided by cells number. So here we are going to print mod ASCII string comma integer. So we got 64. Here you can see ORDI give you the ASCII code for a character. Add up all ASCII code, you get a number. Okay, then take percentage sales number, you get a bucket index. So if we have, if we took one example like for abcd, ord of a equals to 65. I mean ord of a equals to 65. So we have ASCII number of a is equals to 65 and ord b equals to 66. So I ASCII number of b 66. ORD is 6, C equals to 67. So total we got 65 plus 66 plus 67 equals to 198. So 198 divided by 24. So we got 6. So store in the bucket 6.